Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to know about credit crunch. A credit crunch is a sudden, severe reduction in the availability of loans or credit from banks and financial institutions, making it difficult for businesses and individuals to borrow money. The 2008 crisis was triggered by the US housing bubble burst. High subprime mortgage defaults and the failure of major financial institutions holding toxic assets followed. While not currently a systemic collapse like 2008, analysts warn that rising interest rates in 2026 are causing risks. Tightening credit conditions are specifically impacting private credit markets today. What is a credit crunch? It is a contraction in liquidity, the cash available to banks, causing them to stop lending. This leads to a freeze in credit markets. Businesses cannot get loans for operations or expansion, and consumers cannot obtain mortgages or loans for purchases. This often leads to a recession. What triggered the 2008 credit crunch? The crisis was a perfect storm of several factors. Banks gave loans to homeowners with poor credit who could not afford to repay them, known as subprime borrowers. When U.S. house prices dropped, homeowners defaulted on their mortgages. These loans were bundled into complex products. When the loans failed, these assets became worthless. Major institutions like Lehman Brothers went bankrupt. Trust evaporated between banks, leading them to stop lending to each other, resulting in a frozen global financial system. Is it happening again? Significant pressures exist in 2026, though the environment is not a direct replica of 2008. Rising interest rates and tighter borrowing standards are restricting lending. Strains are emerging in the private credit market. Weaker borrowers are facing higher interest costs, raising risks of defaults in corporate debt. However, current bank capitalization regulations are generally stronger than they were in 2008. Regulatory changes like the Dodd-Frank Act were intended to prevent a similar collapse. What do you think? Is it happening again? Please leave your comments. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more. See you in the next video.